Rachel with VMware Marketing, and I'm here with Andrew today. I'm going to ask him a few questions about his experience in Handson Labs today. Andrew, how many VMworlds have you been to?
Well, as you know, Rachel, this is not my first. This is my fourth.
Oh, wow.
In Barcelona.
Wow, that's great. And what is your favorite part of Handson Labs at VMworld?
I enjoy coming and sitting down and taking part in the labs. It's nice to spend the time being able to do the labs. That's the most important thing.
Do you have plans to take many labs at VMworld?
One this year, but there's a whole raft of more labs to be done. All the new ones and some more Horizon ones probably.
Okay, great. And what's your favorite lab topic so far?
I think the AWS labs are really cool. I think the fact you can log on to the AWS and do a lab, that's pretty cool.
Great. And are you looking forward to anything else at VMworld this year?
I might be hanging around the CloudCred booth. That's not my not my first time, so I'm bound to be hanging around there. So just looking forward to going to some sessions, seeing some of the really cool stuff that's coming out.
Great. Well, thank you so much.